If you're looking for a breakfast to feed your family this holiday season, may I suggest to you sausage pancake muffins. They're delicious. I'm going to start with combining my dry ingredients. So I have flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. In another bowl, I'm going to combine my wet ingredients. I've got milk. I've cut this recipe in half, so this is going to make it's going to make 6 muffins instead of 12. Maple syrup. And 1 egg. All right, now we're going to combine the wet and the dry ingredients together.
Me coming close for something.
Okay, we're just going to keep mixing until it comes together, but we don't want to overwork it or your muffins will be too tough. Now the next ingredient I'm going to add is sausage. I went ahead and cooked it ahead of time so it'd be ready. Because I figured you guys have seen me cook sausage before. My oven's preheating to 350. So these would be great for Christmas morning or Thanksgiving morning, just something fast to put together for people to eat while you're doing other things. Now I'm ready to fill the cups. And I do have liners in. You don't have to use liners, but I just thought that would look better. And you can fill them all the way to the top. Okay, now we're going to put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's do 23. Now we're going to have to wait. Now we're going to try sausage pancake muffins.
But first, let me revisit my awesome purchase from a year or two ago.
Oh, more than that.
This
Maybe
is
3.
1 gallon of pure Vermont maple syrup. Bought 2 of these in a case, one for myself and one for Ian and Kirsten. And this is rich amber, grade A Vermont maple syrup. And all you have to do is keep it in the fridge and it stays for a long time.
After you open it.
Yes,
Yeah.
so this is from Sugar Bush Farms.
Yep.
128 fluid ounces. Allow me to pour.
Because everybody, oh my gosh.
Oh, there we go.
No, I don't want as much. Just, okay, whoa.
Hard
Okay.
to control.
Yeah. That's a lot. Everybody needs one that size.
Oh my God, that's good. It can be used in so many things, ladies and gentlemen.
Mm-hmm.
Allow me to get a napkin. Would you like one, Brigita?
Yes. Thank you very much. And before I forget, I wanted to mention we've now moved up to 2 videos a week.
God bless Brigita. And all the deliciousness she prepares.
All right.
I figured, you know, what the heck? She's cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Let's make a video. Twice a week should be doable. I think we can do 3.
Let's try 2 for a while.
I know this is going to be good.
Very good. Very good.
Oh my God.
Have this on the weekends.
It's like a sausage pancake.
Mm-hmm.
Meets muffin.
Yes, exactly.
Wow. And if you're not buying real maple syrup,
Yeah, don't buy the
shame
other
on you.
stuff.
Don't buy that corn syrup junk.
Right. Maple syrup's the way to go, for sure.
It'll last you a lifetime practically. Trust me.
Maybe. I don't know.
Brigita reminds me every time she needs room in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
She's got to move this sucker.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Well, of course, this recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're loving these. We hope you will too. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.
That's good.
Yeah.
Nice job, Brigita.
Thank you.